Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here, and in this video I want to go over more items from my last video. So this one will be the one tier up price wise. So last video we did basic Poundland, Tesco, low budget stuff. This video I want to do more on mass, other items you can have, some ideas I pulled from other YouTubers that might be benefit to you, and some places to shop at to get your supplies. Also, if you like prepping and bushcraft videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on my videos. Now let's go down to my little trunk here and I'll show you everything that I bought recently, and I already put the prices on there to save some time. So let's see what now you can buy at the moment on this date. Okay, first item up are these Gvs filters. Now they're very comfortable and budget friendly at £23. You can buy 2 filters pack for £11. At the time of me buying these, they were sold out already. But I bought 2 of these. Just one is a spare, one to use. I will pick up the filters after that, but they're very handy. I also picked up some T-Rex tape for £10. Duct tape is always very useful, but now this is gonna coincide with some dust sheets. I also have another roll of Gorilla tape for £11. So I bought the best duct tape I could get that's available in my area. But for these 2 here, I bought the dust sheets for £16 because Canadian Prepper mentioned about if things get bad and you have to make a room, like a decontamination room, you can use dust sheets to corner off one room to keep a person in, or to change clothes or something like that. So I would, like, if you know, a UK case, I'd probably say maybe a conservatory or something like that. Like, go in that entrance, clean yourself off before going in the house, or just like section off part of a house really. But that was where this idea came from. This I would use anyway for some other projects I have, so I'm not too fussed about it. Both of these items are still usable, if not for that situation. I got some very heavy duty rubber bags for £3, and you get 10 for just keeping stuff secure in a way, because I couldn't get biohazard bags and stuff like that. Next up is eye protection, and these ones here were £5 each, and these I can only find with the smallest holes in them. The holes are just below that. Everything else had too many holes on top to stop it from fogging up. But these at £5, they do have a good seal around them. So that's the best bet I can get with that one at £5. And I have 2 of those. Now, all of these items here, I bought those from Wix. That came to £96 just for this. So just give you an idea how much you're going to be spending quickly. But then £50 of that nearly is the gas mask. So next up, the Urban Prepper mentioned eye protection. I was able to find some goggles. Now these were from TK Maxx and they were £10 for 2. If you go to your normal leisure centre where the pool is, they're up to £25 for 1. So TK Maxx, other kind of shops, this is where you're going to save your money at. These are NFR goggles. So I bought two packs of those. So that's 4 goggles now I have. Now the next item I got from Prepper Shop, which are filters for my gas mask that I showed in my last video. So I bought 4 of those at £10 each. So now I have refills of backup filters for my gas mask. So so far these are all the items I have. What I'm going to do is I'm going to my next paycheck will be more food based items, and maybe some more ibuprofen and paracetamol items. So you're probably saying, Joe, there are a lot of items that you could improve on here. Yes, I probably could, but as a single parent with 2 kids, this is what I can afford at the moment. I can only buy, going by paycheck to paycheck. So like I said, I get paid soon again, and then I will get definitely more food, because at the moment they're trying to put you on lockdown for a month. So I already have a good amount of food at home, but I want more, you know, so you want to like be prepared. So I'll get some more long dated stuff. At the moment, Italy is on lockdown from this virus. I mean, people have to stay at their homes for up to a month now, and this is February 23rd. Okay, so just to give you an idea what date it is, this video. The virus is spreading a lot. We just had a plane come in to go to one of our places for the British people that were overseas. But I mean, if you're gonna, you know, all you do is prepare as best you can for it, and then if the worst happens, be ready for that. And that's pretty much all you can do. So I just want to share that with you guys. It's not like a massive video because I don't have a lot of money. I pay for all this stuff myself, so I can only get drips and drabs of what I can. That's why my videos are a bit sporadic between the weather being horrible. This is our second of our third storm already, so I can't film too much outside. Half my garden got wrecked anyway. So these are kind of the indoor videos I can do to kind of like share with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video.